Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Simi here, and in today's video I'm basically just going to be doing a school transformation because I'm going back to school in like 4 days. So I'm going back to boarding school in like 4 days, so I'm just going to show you guys the process of me going back to school. So before I show you guys the process of me going back to school, I kind of want to backtrack to where I left you guys off. So I actually went back to school last year, back in November, after 7 or 8 months of quarantine. But I really didn't have that much time to film because I had so many exams. Looks
Do you have any more exams?
Nope. I have DT tomorrow.
Oh, that's bull.
Okay, so today is Wednesday and I'm going back to school. I'm going back to school on Sunday. So right now I'm going to get my hair loosened and washed, and I'm making my school hair tomorrow. So yeah, just yeah. So it's the next day and I'm going to get my hair done today. I'm not doing anything like special because it's just school hair, so I'm just doing black braids. So yeah, I do like a transition. Anyways,
Alright. You look good!
so I'm done with my hair. I really like the way it turned out. You know, nothing special because it's just school hair, but I will be in school for like 9 weeks. This hair is actually quite long from what I usually take to school, but like this is what we're working with for now. I'll see you guys when I'm doing the next thing I have for school. I don't know. So basically, it's 2 AM, it's Saturday, and I'm going to school tomorrow. I'm supposed to be packing right now because I literally didn't do anything like yesterday. So just enjoy this very nice montage of me attempting to pack.